Volta Green Structure is a newly established company. We established 1 year back. We call it as a VGS. VGS is committed to provide smart and sustainable solutions for steel construction and the steel structures. VGS is a part of a group, Volta Group. The Volta Group has a major operations in Africa, and their headquarters is in Hyderabad. Our group is diversified into 15 business segments, right from cement to software. And we have presence in more than 16 countries, from Africa to South America. We have developed 5 business verticals in our company. The first is pre-engineered building. Second is light gauge buildings and light gauge structures. The third is high-rise buildings, steel structure for infrastructure industry, heavy structures, then solar mounting structures. We are working along with 2 technology partners, TTJ Holdings from Singapore. They have expertise into heavy structures and high-rise structures. They are in this business for more than 4 decades. The other technology partner is a FrameCAD, which is one of the leading companies in light gauge structures and light gauge buildings. They are also in this business for more than 25 years. Today I'm going to present a couple of interesting case studies, basically from our technology partners, from FrameCAD and from TTJ. Now this case study, the initial case study, is basically a concept of mobile factory. A mobile factory is a concept where a factory comes into a 40 feet high cube container. And virtually this container can be taken on site anywhere. So this container comes up with a decoiler, you have a main machine, cold forming machine, and you have integrated software. So with this mobile factory, you can actually design, manufacture, and do installation at the same time and on site. There's a very interesting story about a small vendor in Australia. The state government in Australia mandated this company called Fitzroy to supply steel frames for 260 buildings. But this 260 homes, these are basically 2 BHK and 5 BHK homes, quite large homes. They were supposed to install in the area which is called Kimberley, which is today I think regarded as the world's last great wilderness area. It's spread over 42,000 square kilometers. Initially, they tried to bring all the frames from Perth, which was the closest town to them, but they were finding so difficult. And then they switched over to mobile factory. And the mobile factory was brought right into a jungle, bang into the jungle. And they started producing frames there. With one single mobile factory, they were producing 50 homes in a year. So till this date, they have almost completed 250 homes. And in fact, looking at that kind of a work, they have started getting more and more orders, and then they have become expertise into doing construction at very remote locations. See, the advantage what you get in the mobile factory is that there's a huge saving in the transportation. So initially they used to bring all the frames almost 2,500 kilometers, but here the entire steel rows can be brought directly on the site, so you are saving a lot of time and you are saving a lot of cost. There are no damages during the transportation, because everything is just produced there at site. They are not dependent on the subcontractors, because only one mobile factory is manufacturing at a very good rate. There are no delays because everything is produced on the site and immediately it is installed there. Again, the client can do all the inspection of the quality or quantity there at the site. If there are any minor rectifications to be done, they can do there itself. So with this, you can have a great control over the project. You can save a lot of time and you can save a lot of money. At the same time, the indigenous people who were the local people, they're also happy because they got a job, they got money without relocating to any other place. VGS is bringing down the first lot of our mobile factories somewhere down next month. By I think end of May, we'll have first set of our mobile factories here. So this is how it looks. This comes with a generator, decoiler, machine, and completely integrated software. Now I'll quickly go through a small costing economics of a duplex unit done into light gauge buildings. These are basically the description of the building. It's a typical 7,600 square feet duplex, G+1 structure. See, normally the feasibility study, we come across the projects which I have done abroad, but what I thought is that we can do the proper costing in Indian context and see how it works out. So, the total tonnage for this 7,600 square feet duplex was 16 tons. It is precisely 15,600 tons, but then sometimes the mills don't give the exact gauge, so sometimes they give you the higher gauge, so you might run up into more tonnage. So you're talking about 16 tons of a steel. Now, in generally in Europe or in outside, they use only 4 people for assembling, but from Indian context, I consider it as 8 people who are not that skilled or they don't have much experience. So I'm using at least 8 workmen for assembling the frames and 2 people to operate the machine. So even if you are paying 20,000 rupees per month to workmen, the cost works out to be 6,600 rupees per day. The timeline for executing this project is like this. The manufacturing time is 30 hours. So if you take a single shift, 6 hours has an effective working time, the 5 days. Then assembly and manufacturing goes together because there is an overlap, because as you are manufacturing, you can start assembling at the same time. So you're talking about assembly time around 18 hours, which is 3 days. The transportation time from factory to a site is a 1 day. And the erection and the installation at the place is for 30 hours, that's 5 days. Considering the 2 weekly offs, you're talking about 16 days. So the manufacturing cost, the typical steel manufacturing cost is considering 50,000 into 16 tons, which works out to be 9 lakhs, and then the cost of the screws which are required and installation will be another 1.5 lakhs. The cost of the manpower for 16 days will be 105 lakhs 600. So you're typically talking about 12 lakh rupees doing a structure in steel for a duplex. The area is close to 7,500 square feet. So if you see the rate which works out per square feet is 160 rupees. So you add the cost of foundation and you add the cost of finishing work. So the cost cannot go more than 800 rupees per square feet in light gauge buildings. But the limitation is that you cannot go more than 4 stories. It is typically G+3, G+4 kind of a structure.